Hausa neighbor gave me this particular Kubewa soup. It's actually okra soup. Yeah, and I decided to try it my own way. The soup was so good, and I was like, okay, let me try it. But I actually missed out on one particular ingredient. So let's start by washing our meat and then chopping some onions. So this meat, I'm gonna allow it to be very soft. Then I added the seasoning. This is yaji seasoning, salt, and then the onions that I sliced. So I'll cover this and allow this to cook. I added chicken to it, leftover chicken and some fish to it. This is how she made it, so I decided to do the same thing. And then this is grinded chili pepper. I blended it with some garlic, lots of garlic in it. And then this is dawa I'm adding. I just added the dawa once the meat and chicken, everything was well cooked. And then I decided to pour some sliced okra into the same blender that I use in blending. And then this is the okra, very smoothly, yeah. And I stir this continuously, and then added the sliced okra to it. So the soup was actually very good. She added potash, but I refused to have potash to eat because the people I was cooking it for, they said that they're not going to eat it if there's potash in it. So I decided to skip that part out. Yeah, the potash was actually very good, but some say it's not healthy to cook with it. That's why I didn't add it. So this is the Hausa way. Hausa really like okra very slimy. The Hausa northern people, they like the okra very slimy. The okra was very slimy, and then I added some palm oil to it. But you can skip it for this recipe. In fact, most times they don't even add palm oil to this particular recipe. Soup is actually very easy to cook. You don't waste time and not much ingredients to it. No crayfish. So I came back to the soup and it was more like I added ogbono, but there is no a tiny bit of it in it. And then I'm just gonna stir this until the okra is perfectly cooked, because I usually overcook the okra, yeah, but not really overcooked though. It was nice overall actually. At this point the okra soup is ready. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe. This is the Hausa way, the low budget way. I just decided to make my own to see if I did well. The Hausa people in the comments, the viewers, please let me know if I made this soup the right way, the northern way. And thank you for watching my video till this point. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. So I paired it with poundo yam. Yes, poundo yam, not shinkafa. Poundo yam, I didn't have the shinkafa. I just decided to pair it with poundo yam. This is the final result of it. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know what you think about it. Thanks, bye.